Hey, thanks for stopping by. This is Johnny Moe, and I'm going to show you some secrets that have helped me in my journey over the past 17 years make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and not only in my real estate business, but my entrepreneurial journey with more GCI as well. What I'm talking about is networking. Most people ignore networking because it takes a little bit of time, a little bit of energy, or they just don't know how to begin. So what we're going to do is take a deep dive in on this part one of a three-part series to show you how to add networking to your business and make a ton of money. So let's get ready to roll. So welcome back. So what is networking? Networking is basically relational marketing when you're working with somebody else that has some similarities in your business, or maybe even not, they're just connected to other people. Our goal is to have conversations, right? So doesn't it make sense to have conversations with people that know other people? And trust me, this can get very deep and it can go down a huge rabbit hole for your business. Now I want you to think about something. With all the tools that are out there, the online this, the social that, doesn't it make sense to stand out just a little bit? Everybody's doing the same thing. Sign up for this, new list of that, text me for that. By being present in the networking environment, by having those belly-to-belly conversations, it takes away all of that stress, all of that competition. You have a captive audience. Now, in part one, we're going to go over networking with the people that you know, your past clients, and some other areas that we can take a look at that can help you build relationships. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Bing! It's said that the average person knows 50 people. So let's say you're average. Past clients, sphere of influence, and also going to Chamber of Commerce events, Rotary events, any other kind of charity that you can go and network and be part of and help and contribute to, you're getting to know people. So it's important to get to know people. So 50 people, which basically is your first line, know 50 people, that's now giving you 2,500 people on your second line. Hopefully that these people are aware and consciousness. So now that gives you 50 people on your first line, which in theory is 2,500 on your second line. So hopefully these 50 people are top of mind consciousness, and that's why we do what we do. That's why we send out newsletters and phone calls and cards, is so we can keep these 50 people aware that we're going to get some business from there, because those people are going to buy and sell too. Now, if you're able to tap into that with second generation referrals, okay, first generation, second generation, now there's 125,000 people at that third level, okay? Look at that. 50 people, your networking, newsletters, cross-networking type of things. 2,500, hey, bring your friend to the circus. I got 4 extra tickets. Do you know anybody that would like to go to the fishing derby? I have a couple extra tickets, right? Hey, I'm having a customer appreciation event. Do you know anybody that might want to go? Hey, by the way, do you know anybody looking to buy or sell any homes? So it's really important to understand that. When you're able to tap into that level, that's where referrals come from. Referrals come from here. Referrals come from here. So let's assume you can tap into even just 5%. Just 5%. What is 5% of 2,500? That's 125 potential referrals. Let's even drop it down lower. What's 2% of 125,000? 250. Okay? So really, we're kind of cheating ourselves a little bit if we're not doing networking, if we're not networking to a high level. It doesn't take much time. I'm going to show you in the second part how we can use our power circle to amplify these numbers and really explode your business. And that's really the key. So before we move on to the next video, make sure we like and subscribe to the page. And the next video is queued up right here, and it's going to come up now.